Hey y'all. So I'm sorry if you hear a little jingle jangle throughout this video because one pair of hoops just was not enough for me, so decided to wear both of them. First of all, I just want to applaud myself for being back on schedule. Valentine's Day is on Wednesday, so it's a few days away. So we have two types of people in this world. Either you like super plan and you already knew what you were getting, or you still don't know. So today is gonna be a gift guide for last minute Valentine's Day ideas with girls, guys, and friends. Starting out with my ladies, number one is jewelry. So I wanted to make sure that I included things that you could get at both ends of the spectrum, something high end and something low end. There are some very good, cute places to get jewelry that aren't as expensive. I'm really liking right now is Jennifer Fisher. I love her jewelry. Another one is Last Line. Yeah, I think that's right, The Last Line. There's a site called Argento or Argento. I think it's Argento. I've recently been shopping around on that site as well. They have very similar jewelry to those first two sites I mentioned, but they're more affordable. But spa gift card. So if you know she's really into like self-care, taking care of herself, getting her a gift card to a spa would be a really good idea, especially if you're like blanking on things to get her. She could get a facial, she can get a pedicure, manicure, massage, whatever. Maybe you can get something for a specific service that you know she's been saying she flowers. So everyone knows about the flowers, roses specifically. One thing you can do to be inexpensive, if you have a Trader Joe's in your area, Trader Joe's has really good flowers for inexpensive prices. You don't want to give them to her in just like the plastic wrapping that they come in from Trader Joe's. Don't want to do that. But get some brown paper. Maybe Michael's or Joanne Fabrics might have some. Brown paper, a little piece of twine, and tie it up, and your flowers look really fancy, or not really fancy, but they look a little dressed up, okay? Because if you know she's really into flowers and she likes them a lot, they now have this thing where they have these flowers that last for a year. I have some that I love. Just getting like a single flower is like $100 or so. So, you know, that might not be your avenue, but if you have the budget to spend, you can get her a box of flowers that'll last all year. Surprisingly, a lot of people don't buy their guys like Valentine's Day gifts. A new wave of guys being really into their grooming. So maybe get him some grooming products. Like if he has a beard, there's this company that I get my dad's stuff from. It's called The Art of Shaving. They have very, very nice like shaving kits. Bevel, so if you want to get him maybe like a razor or something because he shaves on a regular basis, Bevel has really good things that are especially made for people of color because our hair tends to be a bit coarse. Next, nice underwear. So I don't even know how to start this off other than the fact that like guys just really don't care about their underwear. If you're dating somebody, you know you've seen some underwear that you like. What is that? Nice pairs of underwear, like some really durable, sturdy underwear that you know are gonna hold up over time. Just make sure you know what type of underwear he prefers, but underwear, I mean, it's useful. He's gonna wear it, girl. I mean, they wear anything. A bottle of alcohol. So most guys that I know enjoy a good drink. I have friends that are bartenders, friends that are not bartenders that just have a collection of alcohol in their home, and don't just get them like, you know, their usual, like if they like Hennessy, like get them that like Hennessy Pure White. It's like $100 a bottle, but it's a nice gift. Like they gonna drink it up most likely. I would like some. Friends and family. And this category can be a bit tricky because you don't want to get something that's too personal because I feel like that's just weird. A candle, I mentioned this on my Christmas haul, like a candle, you can never do any wrong with it. Now you can go, like I said, high or low end on this, so you can get like a really, really nice fancy candle. I live by the Target candle selection. They have really nice candles there that range from like $5 to like $20. Food service. So This could go for any of the 3 categories. I feel like if you know that person really likes to cook, or maybe they're trying to learn how to cook, Blue Apron or HelloFresh, they have a lot of different food services where they like deliver all the ingredients to you these days. You can even get them a gift card, so if they already have a subscription, they can use that gift card towards their next couple of orders or something like that. Framed piece of artwork. So this doesn't have to be like no Mona Lisa, y'all, okay? And I'm not talking about no Picassos or nothing like that. Maybe you can get a copy of an original, throw it in a little frame, and wrap it up. So if you know that that's something that they're into, or if you just happen to see like a cool graphic online, those are pretty inexpensive. I want to say like $25 to $50-ish I've seen. So that's all, you guys. I feel like I haven't like chit-chatted with you guys lately. I have something exciting that I'm going to be announcing on Instagram soon. It does include a discount code, so keep your eye out for that. If you look under the giveaway section, there's not a new giveaway, but I am giving away my old prom dress. I'm gonna be shipping it off for free. They don't have to pay for anything. I just want to give it to someone who needs it, okay? Whoever gets to me first and lets me know that they have a girl that needs it, that's who it's going to, okay? So I'm not holding it for anybody, waiting for any responses. Make sure you click the drop down first, because I will have a few links in there. Otherwise, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time.